This guide answers the query how to buy shares of Dyadic International Inc., a biotechnology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DYAI. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy DYAI, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar, type the ticker DYAI, and select the Dyadic International Inc. listing that shows NASDAQ as the exchange. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct Dyadic International Inc. listing. Check the exchange and ticker one more time before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review order details such as order type and estimated cost before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can review performance and settings. For a direct link to eToro and more information, check the description below.